You're gonna love the 2020 Nissan Maxima. This vehicle still has fewer than 45,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. If you like the thrill of performance, you'll love this powerful Maxima. This full-size sports sedan offers the safety features, infotainment, comfort and spaciousness you want in a family car, and tops it all off with adrenaline-pumping exhilaration. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Aggressively sporty yet comfortably confident, that's the Maxima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.